Here we come to the elevator at the Contemporary Arts Museum in Houston, Texas. Not to be confused with the one by the Museum of Fine Arts, Houston. This one is a Dover Impulse. Or from the looks of, probably a Dover, I think. One. Two. I might go for one more ride. Back up to two and there. From what this is looking like, this appeared to be a Dover. It's a nice cab. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end here. Dover. Or actually, I think it might just be a pure Dover, because I just suddenly saw that Dover blue door track up onto the forehead of the elevator car. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.